Excuse me, do you sell phone chargers?
Yes, we do. They're in aisle 5.
Great, thanks for your help.
No problem. Happy shopping.
Great, thanks for your help.
No problem. Happy shopping.
Hi again. Do you have laptop cases?
Yes, they're in aisle 10.
Perfect, thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Enjoy your day.
Do you carry any Apple products?
Yes, we have a selection in the electronics department.
Thanks, I'll check it out.
Let me know if you need any assistance.
Will do, thanks again.
No problem. Happy to help.
Excuse me, can you tell me where the restroom is?
Sure, they're located near the food court.
Thanks, and where is the food court?
It's on the second floor, near the escalator.
Okay, got it. And where can I find men's shoes?
They're on the first floor, near the entrance.
Thanks, you're a big help.
Happy to assist. Have a great day.
Hi there, do you have a directory of the stores?
Yes, there are directories located at each entrance.
Okay, thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Enjoy your shopping.
Is there a sale going on right now?
Yes, there's a store-wide sale happening today.
Great! What kind of discounts are being offered?
It varies by store, but most have discounts of 20 to 30%.
Awesome! Thanks for letting me know.
No problem. Happy shopping.
Do you have any coupons or promo codes?
Yes, we have some available at the customer service desk.
Thanks, I'll check it out.
Let me know if you need any help finding it.
Will do, thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Hi, can I purchase a gift card here?
Yes, we have gift cards available at the customer service desk.
Okay, thanks for your help.
No problem. Happy to assist.
Excuse me, can I return this shirt?
Yes, you can. Do you have your receipt?
Yes, Here it is.
Great! We'll process your return for you.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Hi again. Do you accept returns without a receipt?
It depends on the store's policy. Let me check for you.
Okay, thanks.
Unfortunately, we cannot accept returns without a receipt.
Okay, thanks for checking anyway.
No problem. Happy to help.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we accept all major credit cards.
Okay, thanks for letting me know.
No problem. Happy shopping.
Hi there. Can I pay with cash?
Yes, we accept cash as well.
Perfect. Thanks for the information.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yes, I have a question about the price of this item.
Sure. What is your question?
The price tag says $20, but it's scanned at $25 at the register.
I'm sorry about that. Let me check the price for you.
Okay, thanks.
It looks like the price tag was outdated. The correct price is $25.
Oh, I see. Well, I still want to buy it. Thanks for checking.
No problem. I'll ring it up for you now.
Great, thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.